Every first Friday of the month, Winning English Academy comes together to celebrate a special Mass, a tradition that strengthens our community. This meaningful tradition allows us to receive blessings from the bridge for our company, our teachers, and our students. It's a time to unite in prayer, seeking guidance, wisdom, and strength as we continue to grow and learn together. In this scarce moment, we pray for the success and prosperity of our academy, for the well-being of every individual, and for the wisdom to move forward with purpose and grace. It's a beautiful reminder that faith, unity, and community are at the heart of everything we do. We invite everyone to join us in this powerful tradition as we seek divine blessings and continue to support one another on our journey of growth. Together, we are united in faith, growing, learning, and becoming better every day. Join us next month for another meaningful First Friday Mass at Winning English Academy.